say hi to your coach captain. Before we start, let us first count how many we are here. 1, 2, 3, and 30. Okay, we are 30 and complete. Thank you everyone. On behalf of Pinoy Flight Travel Agency, I would like to welcome you all to Bohol. Right now, I would like you to familiarize with the areas and tell you first the safety and precaution. First, you have to always stay seated while the bus is moving until we reach our destination, and always listen and follow the instructions given by your tour guide or our driver. Second is after we board the bus, always stay with your group to avoid getting lost, especially in the familiar areas. I tell you all about the things you will see in our tour, and if you have any questions, please ask, and I will answer you with the best of my knowledge. And please be reminded that whenever you see these green flags, it means that you need to fall in line and we are going back to our bus and to our next destinations. Got it, everyone? Okay, let's go. Okay, tourists, so we are now nearing our first destination. But first, let me tell you a little bit about Bohol. Bohol is the 10th largest island in the Philippines and is surrounded by Cebu to the west and Leyte to the northeast. Bohol is known for its beautiful landscapes, including the famous Chocolate Hills, pristine beaches, lush forests, and diverse marine life. The island's terrain is a mix of rolling hills and plateaus, with numerous rivers and caves. Okay, tourists, we are now here in our first destination, the Chocolate Hills. But please, before you go out of the bus, always keep a towel and water with you and do not bring unnecessary things outside the bus to avoid losing it. We are now here in our first destination, the Chocolate Hills. But before you enter the view deck, you will first see the long stair behind me. But please be careful while you're walking up the stairs. Okay, tourists, welcome to the Chocolate Hills. We are now here at the view deck. As you can see to your right side, you will see the Beauty Hills. But did you know the hills get their name from the color they turn during the dry season? The grass covering the hills dries up and turns brown, resembling a chocolate mound. And during the wet season, the hills are green. And did you know there are at least 1,260 hills, but there may be as many as 1,776 hills spread over an area of more than 50 square kilometers. The Chocolate Hills are a National Geological Monument. Okay, tourists, I am now giving you a 15 minutes to take pictures of the hills. And don't forget the do's and don'ts while you are in significant destination. Okay, tourists, time's up. Please follow in the line, and we are now going back to our bus and go to our next destination. Okay, tourists, please be ready. We are now approaching our second destination, the Tarsier Sanctuary. Please be reminded that before we enter the sanctuary, don't bring any things that might hurt the Tarsiers, and always listen to the protocols and guidelines of the sanctuary. Welcome to the Tarsier Sanctuary. As you can see behind me, you will see the tarsier of Bohol. This tarsier is one of the world's smallest primates and is endemic to the Philippines, particularly in island of Bohol, Leyte, Samar, and Mindanao. They have a distinct facial appearance with large round eyes that provides them an excellent night vision. Bohol tarsier, also known as the Philippine tarsier, are the smallest primates with large eyes, long hind limbs, and a long hair. Okay, tourists, I am now giving you 15 minutes to take pictures of the tarsier. But please minimize your voice and don't forget the safety guidelines of the sanctuary. Okay, tourists, time's up. Please follow in the line, and we are now going back to our bus and go to our next destination. Okay, tourists, I know all of you are now tired. I am now giving you a time to rest while we are heading to our next destination. Tourists, please be ready. We are now approaching our third destination, the Blood Compact Shrine. Please again, before you go out of the bus, always keep a towel and water with you, and do not bring unnecessary things outside the bus to avoid losing it. Tourists, welcome here in Blood Compact Shrine. As you can see to your right, you will see the statue that acts as the blood compact here in Bohol. The blood compact shrine in Bohol commemorates the Sandugo, or one blood ceremony, which is considered the first treaty of friendship between Miguel Lopez de Legazpi and Datu Sikatulo. This event took place in March 1565 and symbolized the alliance and goodwill between the two parties. The monument depicts the historic event of the blood compact, where both parties made a small incision in their arms, drew blood, mixed it with wine, and drank it to signify their pact of friendship and cooperation. The shrine stands as the reminder of this significant moment in the Philippine history and is a popular tourist attraction in Bohol. Okay, tourists, I am now giving you 15 minutes to take pictures of the landmark and to explore the place. But don't forget our safety and precautions while you are in a significant destinations. Okay, tourists, time's up. Please follow in the line, and we are now going back to our bus and go to our next destination. Tourists, I know all of you are now tired, but we are now approaching on our fourth destination. But before we go to our next destination, please be advised that this destination has a river under it. You need to always listen to your tour guide to avoid damages. Before you go out of the bus, do not bring unnecessary things outside. And do not litter at the river. We are now here on the Twin Hanging Bridge in Bohol, or also known as Tigbao Bridge. As you can see behind me, the bridge is now made out of steel for the safety of the people who crosses the bridge. But it was made traditionally in bamboo. The bridge has a 40 meters and the height of 20 meters. Tourists, I am now giving you 10 minutes to take pictures of the bridge and to explore the place. But don't forget the do's and don'ts, and always be careful. Time's out, tourists. Again, please fall in the line. We are now going back to our bus and heading to our last destination. Tourists, I know all of you are now tired and had a long day. But before we end this tour, we are now approaching our last destination. So please be ready because our last destination is the famous Lubok River. So we are now here in our last destination. Tourists, welcome in Lubok River, or sometimes called as the Laway River. It is one of the cleanest rivers in the Philippines. It has a seemingly green waters, but some locals stated that it is colored from the reflection of the leaves, and it has a originally brown waters. But before we leave, we will first eat near the river, and before that, I am now giving you 10 minutes to explore and take pictures in the river. Time's out, tourists. Again, please fall in the line. We are now going back to our bus. Tourists, as we make our way back to the hotel, I want to take a moment to thank all of you for joining us today. On behalf of Pinoy Fly Travel Agency, I hope you had an unforgettable experience exploring these wonderful sites in Bohol. A big thanks to our fantastic coach, Captain Kuya Ace, for driving us safely and smoothly throughout our journey. We appreciate your enthusiasm and participation, and we look forward to welcoming you on another adventure soon. Have a relaxing evening and enjoy your day.